I figure why not get a quick, nice Memorial Day drive, you know? You heard me?
What?
Yo, you didn't hear anything I said?
No.
I said I was gonna get a nice, just Memorial Day drive. Today's Memorial Day, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was gonna get a nice Memorial Day drive video. No talking. Filthy car. Couldn't get it washed, but that's what it is. This damn key, man. She really needs to be washed. When you starting your channel, Ryan?
I don't even know.
This thing is beautiful, man. Listen, if you get your Indian, let me know, man.
Oh man, dude, I'll give you this.
Let me know, man. This is a nice combo. It matches too, man. It's not that far off. My red interior, orangey ready type stripes with the. It's pretty cool. Nice. This is a dope. Oh man. That was a little baby one right there. I could have held it if I didn't hit the gear again. That's a good way to get you out of a slide. Just upshift. Unless you're in a DCT car, don't do that. No, 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 no. I said this is gonna be one of those no talking vids, but yo, you guys know me. I just gotta say something, bro. Oh man, it feels so good. Yo, like this video if you guys want to see more POVs too. Just going out and driving. There's a lot of content, or a lot of content I think I could make that I miss out on because I just feel like you guys don't want me to be repetitive with the you know, things. And plus I'm hanging out with my guy Ryan right now. He's on his MT-07. I don't have a motorcycle. This is the fun thing for me, so you know, where I normally wouldn't film, so I feel like you guys really wouldn't care, I'm filming. With full traction control on, like I always told people, like, yo, bro, these tires aren't as bad as people think they are, because they're not. Pretty good. If your car came factory with Pirellis, they're not that bad. Until you turn traction control off and you start to notice the car act a little, like, you know, out of it. I just feel as though I can push this car. I've gotten to the level to push this thing harder than the Pirellis can do for me. I don't know if I'm making any sense here, but that's just what I feel like my level is. I feel like I'm moving up with learning how to drive this thing more aggressive, I'd say. Like, I'm not just nailing it and feeding it shit tons of gas, you know. Just cannot wait to take this thing on the track. Cannot wait. The only thing that stopped me from a track right now, I'll be honest with you, is one, waiting for the track day, obviously. And I'll kind of disclose that a little bit further as the date gets closer. And when I say track, I don't mean straight line track. I did sign up for Impact, but that's not what I'm talking about. I mean the racetrack, or, you know, like New Jersey Motorsports Park. I gotta find some tires. So I'm gonna run the Pirellis with the stock brake pads or whatever, but I'm gonna get replacements because when I took my M340 to the track, it wore out the tires and the brakes very, very, very fast. And I was unable to source the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S and the brake pads for the M340. So that left me like screwed for a minute. So I'm gonna have those on deck, ready to go. I'm not gonna install them on the car. I'm just gonna beat these ones to crap and get an idea of how the Pirellis are, because there's not really any content on these cars to how they really perform in their true element, which I think is a track. From like a guy like me who knows probably nothing about how to drive. So yeah, stay tuned for this. Hope you guys are looking forward to it, and I hope you guys like these POVs. Like I said, like them if you do. And it's pretty easy for me to make because this is what I do with the camera off anyway. So, you know, I'm just bringing the camera with me this time, and you know,